Motion, force and work. In previous video we have already learned about distance and displacement, and we have discussed about this diagram. Distance, the length of a route actual traveled by a moving body inspiring the direction, is called as a distance. Distance is a scalar quantity. Displacement, the minimum distance traveled by a moving body in a one direction from a origin point to reach the final point, is called as a displacement. In displacement, both distance and direction are taken into account. Therefore, displacement is a vector quantity. The unit of measure of a distance and displacement is the meter in the SI as well as in the MK system of meters. Velocity. Velocity is the distance traveled by a body in a specific direction. In a unit time, the velocity of a body can be calculated by the following formula. This is the formula of velocity. Velocity is equal to displacement divided by period of time required for the displacement. You have learned about this formula. See, in previous video we have already learned about distance and displacement. Now, speed and velocity. Speed and velocity. What is meant by a speed? The distance traveled by a moving body, irrespectively of the direction, in unit time is called as a speed of a body. And second question, what is the formula of calculating speed? Formula of speed. Speed is equal to distance covered divided by time required to cover the distance. When we say that the speed of a car is 40 km per hour, there is no need to specify the direction, but to periodic, whereas a storm will reach a particular place or not, a mention of its direction is essential. Here one chart is given. Write the formula. Speed, velocity. Now see, the formula of speed is given here, distance traveled divided by total time, and formula of velocity, displacement divided by total time. Now see, let us now use the above formula to find the Ranjit velocity and speed when he go to school as shown in the figure 7.2. In previous video we have already discussed about this figure. Actual distance traveled by a Ranjit from the house to school. What is the actual distance? AB plus BC plus CD. AB plus BC plus CD means 500 meter plus 700 plus 300 means total is 1500 meter, and total time 8 minutes 11 6. 8 plus 6 plus 11 means how much? 25 minutes. See, means total distance is 1500 meter and total time is 25 minutes. Ranjit displacement from the home to school. Displacement means this broken line. This is displacement means AD. How much? That is 1000 meter. Thus, Ranjit's velocity when going from home to school. Now see, velocity. I am finding velocity here. Velocity is equal to formula of velocity, displacement upon total time. You learn all the formulas. Displacement is 1000 meter. Displacement is 1000 meter and total time is 25 minutes. Now see here, 25 ones are 25 and 25 fours are 100 and this 0 as it is. Means 40 upon 1, 40 is meter and 1 is minute. 40 as it is. You can convert this minute in a second. 1 minute means how much second? 60 seconds. Okay. Now this 0 0 will get cancelled. 6 ones are 6 and answer is 0.66. 0.66 meters per second. And now next you have to find the speed. What is the formula of speed? Distance traveled divided by total time. I am just write here the formula. Speed is equal to distance traveled divided by total time. Distance traveled is 1500 meter and total time is 25 minutes. Now see here, 25 ones are 25, 25 6 are 150 and 0 this as it is, means 60 upon 1, but 60 is meter and 1 is minute, but you have to convert this minute in second, means 60 meters upon 1 minute means how much second? 60 seconds. 60 will get cancelled, means answer is 1 and unit is meter per second. Meters per second. I have solved this total on a book. Ranjit did not take the straight route of minimum distance while going to the school. Therefore, the magnitude of while velocity and speed come out to be different. Had Ranjit actually gone by the straight route AD, then the magnitude of its velocity and speed would have been the same.